What's up, everybody? It's your girl Rebecca Raquel, and I am back with another video. Now today's video is going to be another DIY video. I will be doing my own eyelashes. Now, in doing my own eyelashes, this is nothing that I'm new to. I've literally been doing this since I was probably about 19, 20 years old. I've done my sisters, I've done my mom, I've done other people. I used to do it all the time, but I kind of stopped doing it, so I haven't done it in a while, but I still, of course, remember how to do it. Now for today, what you're going to need is of course, your eyelash glue, which is the Ardell glue, which I'm sure we're all familiar with. I got some lashes from Amazon that I thought were pretty nice. I got them in 3 sizes. I have the 10mm lashes, the 12mm lashes, and the 14mm lashes. I also have this in the 8, but I'm just going to use 3 sizes on me right now. And also, you'll need, of course, some tweezers. Now, I just want to give you guys a close-up of the lashes, and all of the information for the lashes and even the glue will be linked down below if you would like to purchase from Amazon. But this is what the lashes actually look like, if my camera will focus. So what you want to do is put your glue on a flat surface, and after that, what you want to do is start with the length that you want. I think I'm going to start in the corner, which will be the ends of my eyes, to start there so I can show you guys how to do it. I'm going to try my hardest to do it on camera. So I'm going to take my lash and I'm going to kind of grab it from the middle and just scoop some glue on. Now, like I said, my technique of doing my lashes might not be what someone else would do. And whenever you're doing something that's DIY, you do whatever you feel comfortable with. The method that I do my lashes when I do my own is I go underneath the eye. Some people like to just place it on top of the lash. Whatever works for you is what works for you. So I'm going to try to do this as best as I can in the camera. But I do have a mirror on my desk right behind me. So if you do see me looking down or up, that's what I'm looking at. But I'm going to try my hardest to do it on camera. Let me get a little closer. Now you want your glue to be just a little tacky when you're doing this. And I'm going to kind of place the lash right under. Now, please note that anybody that has ever used this Ardell glue, you know this glue is very strong. The fumes sometimes are a lot. So just be mindful of that. So if you see me tearing up a little bit, that's why. Because the fumes on these lashes are very strong. And this is something else that's probably for professional use only, but I be ignoring stuff like that. Like, I don't got time to be doing that. Okay, so I'm gonna my glue on the lash again. Just fan it a little, and then we're gonna go again. Under and place it right on the line. Yeah, the fumes, like I said, the fumes are like a lot sometimes. Okay. So I'm using, as I said, since I'm doing the corners, I'm doing the 14mm ones right now. Once I get to probably like here, I'll start, you know, decreasing the length or whatever. But this is what I'm doing for right now. Definitely what I'm doing for right now. Okay, so I'm gonna lash again. Just gonna look in this mirror real quick to see where I'm going. And like when you first start doing this, you're not going to be a pro at it. You're going to be very scared to go near your eye. Like I said, since I've done this before, it doesn't frighten me or anything, because I know like where to place it on my eye. But just know that you don't want to, of course you don't want to get this in your eye. That's common sense. So you're going to try your hardest. You want to get it like right under your eye. but also you're gonna make sure that it's not gonna be so close to where it gets into your eye. You know, but you know, take your time with it. If you don't feel comfortable with things being near your eye, it's gonna take an adjustment, but you have to just trust yourself in doing this. Or even when if you have someone else do it, like when my sisters and my mom like let me do stuff like this to them, like that's a big trust factor. You just have to trust yourself, trust the person who's doing it for you. And like I said, if you feel like going under your eye is too close to your eye and you want to do it on top, then that's fine. I find doing it on top is harder because your lashes are curled, so it's like it kind of gets in the way. But whatever, you know, works for you. And as you can see, it's starting to come kind of together. I like doing it on my bottom lash because when you look down, it just looks more natural. But I noticed that sometimes, you know, if people do it on the top, you can see like the glue, and I don't like to see that glue look. I hate that. So that's why I kind of like to do mine on the bottom. And you just give them more natural look. Okay, so since guys, this is kind of repetitive after that, I'm gonna start doing new lengths and I'll show you guys that, but I'm just gonna kind of speed through the rest of the video and show you guys the end result because I don't want the video to be too long. Okay, make sure when you're doing your lashes, you kind of want the lash glue to be a little tacky so that it sticks as soon as you put it on. If you put it on right while it's wet, the lash is gonna fall off. So you want the lash to be kind of tacky, the lash glue to be kind of tacky. Okay, so this is my lashes done about halfway through. So now I'm gonna go to the other length of the lash, which will be the 12, and I'll do one whole eye and then come back so you guys can see that. Okay guys, so as you can see, this eye is done. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on this eye now, and again, I'm gonna fast forward through the video so you guys can, you know, get to see the end result. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna start with, again, with the 14mm lashes on the end. I'll do that till I get to about the middle of my eye, and then I'll do 12 and then 10. Okay guys, so here is the finished product of the lashes. Really love how they came out. I also want to kind of give you guys a top view of it. So if you can see that when I say how much more natural it looks when you go under. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. My lashes came out great. I love the way it looks. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show me some love, and I will see y'all in the next one.